even when I'm sitting on a park bench, my phone's map shows me exactly where I am. And if you're riding in the car with your family, the navigation screen knows where your car is, too. But how does navigation figure out our location? Let's find out together. It's getting easier and easier to find my way to a friend's house without getting lost. That's all thanks to the map on my phone or the navigation screen in the car. And it's possible because of a special system that circles all around our planet. Today, we're going to learn about GPS, the smart map that helps you find your way anywhere. There's a secret to how it all works. Let's imagine way up high above the clouds. Even higher than airplanes fly, there are satellites spinning all around the Earth. These satellites are always sending out special signals from different places in the sky. Each signal tells where the satellite is and what time it is. It's a bit like stars twinkling at night, saying, "Here I am." Our smartphones and navigation systems catch these signals from lots of satellites at the same time. The signals keep coming, even in just a few seconds. Thanks to these signals, your navigation can figure out exactly where you are on the map. But how does your device use those signals to know your location? Let's find out. There's a special way that navigation systems find out exactly where you are. Your smartphone measures how long it takes for the signals from each satellite to reach it. When it knows that time, it can figure out how far away each satellite is. It's kind of like having friends standing all around you, each shouting, "I'm over here," at the same time. By listening closely to when you hear each friend, you can tell how far away they are. If you only hear from one friend, you just know you're somewhere that distance from them. But if you hear from lots of friends at once, you can figure out exactly where you are. That's how navigation works too. It listens to signals from several satellites to pinpoint your spot on the map. Usually, it needs signals from at least 4 satellites, so it can find you even in big places like cities, schools, or parks. But sometimes, GPS doesn't work very well. Why do you think that happens? GPS satellites send signals all the way from space down to Earth. But these signals are pretty weak, so things like thick walls and roofs can block them. That means the signal has a hard time getting inside houses. It's the same in deep forests or inside tunnels. The signal can't get through all those trees or thick rocks. That's why sometimes, when you're indoors, your navigation can't find your exact spot. But if you're out in a big open place, like a playground or a park, the signal comes through easily. Your GPS can find you super fast there. Now you know where GPS works best. Let's quickly review what we learned today. GPS finds where you are by using signals sent from satellites way up in the sky. Your phone picks up lots of these signals at once, so it can show your exact spot on the map. Today, we discovered the secrets of GPS together. I'll be back soon with another fun story just for you!